About this item: Doona car seat, from car seat to stroller in seconds. One simple motion operation. Features a 5-point harness, adjustable handlebar, also acts as an anti-rebound bar inside the car, and 3-layer side impact protection. Washable car seat. The Doona car seat fabric is removable and washable. Features baby-safe materials and breathable textiles, including bamboo and memory foam. Travel-safe baby essentials. This car seat and latch base is FAA aircraft approved for travel. Combine with the Doona travel bag, sold separately, for a seamless travel experience. Included in the box: Doona infant car seat, Doona bamboo infant insert, Doona bamboo head support, Doona vehicle seat protector, Doona car seat base. 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Rear-facing car seat and base, suitable from 4 pounds to 35 pounds, max 32 in height. This is a rear-facing car seat only. Car seat weighs 16.5 pounds, base weighs 10.3 pounds. Product dimensions: folded, 23.6 x 17.3 x 26 inches, unfolded, 39 x 17.3 x 32.2 inches, weight, 16.5 pounds. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: Doona car seat, from car seat to stroller in seconds. One simple motion operation. Features a 5-point harness,